Top 5 operating systems that are often used by cybersecurity researchers and ethical hackers for testing and research purposes. Kali Linux. This is a Debian-based Linux distribution designed specifically for penetration testing and digital forensics. It comes pre-installed with a wide range of security tools and is highly customizable. Parrot Security OS. This is another Debian-based Linux distribution that is designed for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and digital forensics. It comes with a large number of security tools and supports various desktop environments. Backbox. This is an Ubuntu-based Linux distribution that is specifically designed for penetration testing and security assessment. It is lightweight and fast, and comes with a wide range of security tools. Black Arch Linux. This is an Arch Linux-based distribution that is designed for penetration testers and security researchers. It comes with a large number of security tools and supports various desktop environments. Tails. This is a live operating system that is designed to provide privacy and anonymity. It is often used by security researchers, journalists, and activists who need to communicate and work anonymously. It runs from a USB stick and leaves no trace on the host computer.